So one of the best practices when I was a customer was to snapshot diagnostics both before and after an upgrade. That way, if anything happened in the in-between, I had both the before and the after I could give to support. So I'm going to show you how to collect Active Diagnostics and save them for historical reference. So from the Orion Summary home screen, go to Settings, and then My Orion Deployment. Then go to your Diagnostics tab, and collect New Diagnostics. You can either collect diagnostics for an Orion server itself, either your primary server, your additional websites, or your additional polling engines, or specific nodes. I'm going to collect it for the primary Orion server. Just hit Next, include all diagnostics or select specific ones for yourself, and collect the data. One of the advantages to this, if you actually want specific nodes, is if you have a node that has a polling problem for one reason or another, it's polling one day and then not the next, you can always collect the diagnostics from that node and look at them yourself to see if there's a way you can troubleshoot fixing that. So once complete, you can see this is an 88 meg download. It was collected on August 5th, and you just click here to download it. Now if you need to do a diagnostic for a node, collect New Diagnostics, select Nodes, optionally deselect the Orion server, check one of your nodes, or multiples, and again, run the diagnostics. Now the beauty of diagnostics is that these can be recorded at any time. You do not actually have to stay on this page. You can navigate around and continue working in your Orion platform, and then come back, check, and download the diagnostics. And that's pretty much it. Quick and easy way to collect diagnostics. Like I said, I like to do it before and after upgrades or to troubleshoot individual node polling problems. Looking for more information on this topic? The SolarWinds Customer Success Center provides all the information you need to install, troubleshoot, and optimize your SolarWinds products.